Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. Today I am going to teach you how you can fix the Valorant error code VAN 9003 on your Windows 11. Make sure that you stay until the very end of the video so you won't miss any important step or information in this video. So a lot of players are running into this VAN 9003 error in Valorant and are unable to boot the game. So this is because Riot Games require you to have secure boot or trusted platform module 2.0 enabled on your system. So it is a security measure on your operating system that is necessary for Riot Games anti-cheat to function properly. So here's how you can enable the setting on your PC or laptop to get rid of the VAN 900 error in Valorant. So first, a warning, if you are not familiar with navigating through your BIOS or BIOS, please search or reach out to a professional. So because incorrectly in configuring BIOS or BIOS settings can cause your computer to stop booting up. So remember this warning right here. So let's get on it. So first, search for the check updates in the search bar in the windows on the bottom left corner of your screen and open the system result that shows up and then hit the check for updates button. So if you have any pending updates, let your system download and install them, and once done, restart your computer and see if you are still getting the error, the VAN 9003 error in your Valorant. And you need to enable the TPM 2.0 and secure boot via your BIOS or BIOS settings when setting. So your BIOS menu essentially allows you to configure your motherboard and system before your PC even boots. So in the Windows search bar, type the command and then hit enter, and in the command prompt type in this right here, and your motherboard's manufacturer and model details will be displayed. And then next, it is recommended to look up a video of the BIOS settings menu for your motherboard before proceeding with the next steps. You need to navigate the menu on your own and then enable the TPM 2.0 and then secure the boot. So you can go ahead and restart your computer and see the screen splash to identify the key you must press to enter the firmware if it is applicable. Press the required key repeatedly until you enter the setup mode, and here are the most common BIOS menu buttons. So if you have a different button, you need to look it up in your motherboard's manual or search for it online. So here are those keys. And once in your BIOS menu, you need to navigate to the secure boot and TPM 2.0 settings and enable them. So these menus are different depending on the manufacturer and model of your motherboard, and you should look up the settings for your motherboard before making any changes. Once you are done enabling the TPM 2.0, you should no longer get the VAN 9003 error in Valorant. So that's it for this video. Remember, you can always pause this video or go back to the video and follow the steps at your own time. So that's it. I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and click notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.